What's up, guys? We are looking at Casper / Tether USD this morning. This is the daily chart. We are on tradingview.com. Welcome to the channel. Yesterday was quite the day for the markets. A big liquidation event. A black swan, call it what you will. Basically a straight cliff dive down for a lot of projects. Casper definitely didn't quite avoid that. Bitcoin, XRP, many other projects really got hit quite hard yesterday. Pretty incredible to watch these projects be down those huge percentages. It looks like yesterday for Casper, it was a 9% to the downside. And today is trying to get back into the green. Casper found some support down at a 310 level on the chart. Right here, this white line on the chart, 310. That area also correlates with some prior overhead resistance. So we had some resistance at that level back in, let's see here, August, September, and early October. Some resistance, the price couldn't quite break above that level. And then eventually it did here. This was a really nice day, October 6th, 12% day for Casper. So overhead resistance, let's go back to today, is so far anyways, support. So it is nice to see those levels turning from resistance into potentially now support as the price does quite the back test here. So off the highs, Casper is down 44%. And when I say the highs, I just mean this last leg up here. I guess you could take from the low to the high, which was a very big move, and a 40+% pullback off that high. That high came in at resistance at one of our levels there, two of our levels, I should say, 0.0522 and 0.0509. Both those levels are right here on the chart. So we will see if this can hold. So far, we are actually above. We are currently above one level at 310, and then we have one right here at 0334, which is the price is just above that at 0336. So it's above two levels, which is good to see. If we go to the 3-minute, you can see how price pulled back, found support once, twice. We dipped through it and then eventually broke out, and then 3 times here. And now we are slightly above, another level above the market at 0.0334. We'll see if that holds throughout the day. Go back to the daily chart. And here we are at the daily chart. So we will see when today's candle closes. It would be good to see a higher low come in. So what I mean by that is a higher low above today's low. So today's low is 0.0305. So we would like to see the price open up and throughout the day stay above that low. That would give us some indication that we could be could have a bottom in place, and we could be at least trending higher for a short period of time at least. Don't really know how long that will hold, of course. If we go over, you could see if we zoom in here, we'll go back to the low in, I believe it was June time frame. So if we go, we had that low come in here, hit one of our levels at 0.224. And then the next day we had a nice higher day, a higher low, and that led to basically a nice 50% move to the upside. And if you look back over here as well, we had a higher low come in after this major sell-off. This is back in May. And that led to a little rally as well. Looks like a 40% move to the upside. So that's just a couple things keeping an eye on. One, if these levels can hold, so that's 310 and 334, and two, if the low of today can hold as well, and then we have a higher low, and then perhaps that can lead to some kind of a retrace, perhaps up to this level, at least up to that level. Or was that the sell-off? Was that the black swan? Was that the big fear event? And the bottoms are in for these markets. If we start to rally quite strong from here, then there's a good chance that was. If things start to slump over and head south, then the selling might not be over. So that's pretty much my thoughts here. I mean, the only thing I really do is I watch the levels on the chart that I have, and then when new levels pop up, I will share them with you guys. And, you know, a couple other things I watch, but that's basically it. Not really one to follow any kind of news, just follow the charts and the price action. So that's what I'm looking for on the Casper chart anyways. And, yeah, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Appreciate everybody watching, all the new subscribers. If you have not yet, we have a new channel. I will leave the link for that new channel in the video description. It is a stocks only channel, so no crypto on that channel. Stocks, ETFs, similar fashion to this, but we just talk about different stocks and ETFs and things along those lines. So check that out. I will leave a link for that down in the video description. All right, guys, have a great day. By the way, it is the 10th of November.